What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another LUVME Hair collaboration video. Today they sent me over a frontal wig. This wig actually was kind of a bit small for my client, so I ended up cutting the sides and making it a 5x5 closure wig. If you have a larger sized head, you always want to make sure that you get a frontal wig with a lot of parting space on not just the middle but the sides of the wig, because if it's just, I would say, 2 fingers worth of parting space on the sides, your wig won't fit your head unless you have a small peanut head. So a trick I would do is I would cut all the lace off on the sides and just make it a 5x5 closure wig. That's what we did today, and it ended up working out. I'll also be using Boho lace products. Y'all know that's my favorite glue. That is the Big Kahuna glue. That is the GOAT glue, Boho Active today, period. So the first wig that LUVME Hair Company sent me, it was an HD lace. This wig is actually a transparent lace, but it melted so well into my client's skin that I honestly thought it was an HD lace as well. Make sure you order the right size wig, but make sure that you get their transparent or their HD lace because it's actually phenomenal. So for these layers, I didn't have a particular method or technique that I went in using. I just knew I wanted to use the razor comb and I wanted to use the shears. And as far as bumping the ends, I honestly went back and forth from the flat iron to the blow dryer with a bristle brush, and then also the biggest curling iron that I have in the shop. So all of those components got us our ending result. You can follow the same steps that I took, or you can do it your own way, or you can do my steps out of order. As long as those ends are bumped to your liking, then you should be fine. And as you can see from this reveal, this lace is giving straight up scalp. I honestly forgot whether this was an AC lace or a transparent lace because the blend on it is just so amazing. And I also just wanted to add, don't be scared to go back in and add more layers after you bump the hair because it actually gives it more body and more bounce. And just like that, my model is slayed by Matthew using LUVME Hair. I'll put all the information for this wig down in the description box. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. The SBM Gang family is growing by the day. We're growing on Instagram, we're growing on TikTok. Let's be sure to run it up on YouTube too. Period. LUVME Hair, shout out to y'all. Gabby, shout out to her too. Follow her on Instagram. And period, we'll be coming with more videos soon.